Hello everyone, and welcome to our third and final part in our look at coaster F40 locomotive number 2103 in preservation at the Pacific Southwest Railway Museum. For all the detailed information on this project, be sure to take a look at part 2 of this miniseries where I interviewed Museum President Stephen Hager about what it took to bring the 2103 to Campo. For this final look at the 2103 for now, we will be taking a cab ride in the locomotive on one of the museum's Golden State Limited passenger excursion trains. This particular ride was filmed on the afternoon of May 7, 2023, as the train traveled through scenic East San Diego County. For the excursions that day, the museum was gracious enough to host a special Nathan K5LA air horn. I assembled and, with a lot of help from some friends, restored this horn from a collection of early 1990s era parts that would have been correct for the coaster F40 locomotives as delivered from Morrison Knudsen in 1994. If you would like to book a cab ride on a future Pacific Southwest Railway Museum excursion trip, visit the museum's website at www.psrm.org. Our journey will take us over the rails of the former San Diego and Arizona Railroad from Campo to a location roughly 4 miles to the west known as Canyon. The rail line is currently owned by the San Diego Metropolitan Transit System, with this portion of the line being leased out by the museum. Since the 2103's diesel engine is not currently operable, it will function as a cab control unit on this trip, with Southern Pacific GP9 number 3873 providing the power for the train. Because there is no siding at the far end of the run to move the locomotives to the other end of the train, we will be backing out of Campo and then proceeding forward from Canyon for the return trip. And with that, we'll say all aboard as the Golden State Limited departs Campo.
Museum in the 15 for me, 10 up over. There we go. Howdy.
Well, that brings our journey to the Pacific Southwest Railway Museum to a close for now. Thanks for coming along for the ride. If you would like to help the museum extend their operations to cover a total of 14 miles of rail line through scenic eastern San Diego County, visit psrm.org/donate to contribute to this and any other museum projects. As always, a special thanks to all my supporters on Patreon. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos from the Pacific Southwest Railway Museum in the future, let me know down in the comments section of this video. To receive notifications every time I post to YouTube, click on the subscribe button and select the Receive All Notifications option by clicking on the bell. I'll be back next Friday at 9 a.m. Pacific Time for a brand new railroad-themed adventure right here on the YouTube channel. That's it for now. Until next time, I'm Mike Armstrong. I'll see you down the line. Thanks for watching.